Vlogmas. So I don't even know. I just finished editing day one. I'm just waiting for it to save so I can upload it and schedule it, and it will be up today for, I think I'm doing 12 p.m. Today is going to be a busy day. I actually have to get dressed because I have to leave in like 10 minutes. Hopefully the video is done before then. And it's my final critique for photography. I'm not happy because it's gonna suck. And I spent like 10 hours printing photos, not to mention the like 8 hours I spent taking the photos. And it's worth 35% of my grade. So this should be interesting. I don't think I can have you guys with me for the critique just because like everyone's gonna be there and I don't have their permission to film and blah blah blah. But I will see you guys later when I go for, actually I might not do it. Today might be a day to go to the dollar store and get decor stuff to finish decorating the apartment. I don't know. It's supposed to be like a snowstorm, but me and my friends were planning to walk over to Wallach's. Wallach's is like a 20-minute walk, and that's like there and then 20 minutes back with all our stuff. And I don't know if we want to do that in a snowstorm. Chances are we might. Like there's a very high chance that we actually will just walk in the snowstorm. But yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed because I don't think I'm allowed to go to class dressed like this. Yeah. Here is today's outfit. Just some simple black, white, and red. My hair is insane, but it's okay because I'm gonna put it in elastic in a minute anyways. I am apparently running late, so let's do the advent calendar for Artmas. Day 2. Ah, it's closed, damn it. Okay, day 2 is a winter city nightscape out of colored pencils. That freaking hurt my wrist so bad. So yeah, that video will be up today for 1. And I'll see you guys in a little bit because I'm running so late. Yummy.
Ooh. This is like a cool pumpkin.
Ooh, I got a cool cup.
Oh my goodness. That's
Ooh.
cute.
I already got a straw, but thank you.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah. So I'm finally back. It's like 3:15. I was gonna go paint at the studio,
But then I realized I do not have a staple gun, and so I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow when somebody in my class brings a staple gun and I can borrow it because I have to stretch my own canvas. But as you saw, I did get to go to Dollarama, so let's do a little haul. I didn't get everything I wanted because I wanted to get like a garland to go over the TV, but the ones that I saw the last time I was there were no longer there, so I didn't get to get that. But I did get the garlands to finish the tree on the wall, so we'll get to do that later. And then I also got some little like decoration, they're like light ball thingies, and I'm thinking either on the tree if they're not too heavy, or along the like window there, possibly under the TV, or like over and hanging down or something like that. So I got 2 of those. I got more fuzzy socks because you can't have enough, okay? I may or may not have a collection of these under my bed, but you can never have enough of these. They're so freaking fluffy. Then I got some insoles for my shoes because they don't have insoles and my feet are like killing me. Then I found these cute little like mini decoration like ornaments that I'm thinking I can wrap around the things. They're a little smaller than what I would have wanted, but they work. So that, I might need to go get more of those though. Then I got some window stickers. I'm thinking the big one in the middle there, maybe like where the curtain's down right now, I can have it like right there or something on the window. And then I got these little like warm white like ornament light things. I got 2 of them, and hopefully they'll be able to wrap all the way around the garlands for the tree. So and then I just got some batteries for them. I'm hoping I got the right batteries. AA. Ooh. AA. Okay. Wait. 2 AA. 2 AA. Okay, that would be all of my batteries. Perfect. So yeah, I'm going to change because I am sweaty and disgusting. And then let's do some decorating. I'm actually so excited to finally finish this. I just need to figure out how to do a star. Okay, so first of all, do not judge me wearing this again because I am gross and sweaty, but I'm not in the mood to shower right now. But then at the same time, I don't want to put on clean clothes, so if I put on something that like needs to be washed but is still somewhat clean, then like I don't feel bad about needing to wash it. And so yeah, I'm in my PJ romper thingy. Do not judge me. Okay. I'm actually so excited for these. Oh my god. Okay, so I got a few different ways that I was doing this. The first way I was using like pins, like for pin board, I don't know. But I don't want to make like a million holes in the wall. So then for the last little bit, I did sticky tack and it works. So I'm thinking I'll just do sticky tack for the rest of it and hope that it works. Like keeps working. I'm gonna need to think about this. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go charge you the phone. And then I'll see you guys when I figure it out, because I don't think you guys want to watch me struggle. And if you do, I'll remember that for next year. This took me 40 minutes. It's good. I'm keeping it. It is perfect. Do not judge. I just need to do the ornaments. You know what? Perfect is overrated, okay? Oh my god. Perfect is overrated. And then I didn't know what to do with this one, so I'm still playing around with it because I couldn't get it to stay over the TV. So now it's a weird ass W. So decorating's not really going well. Don't know what I want to do with these yet. Okay. I have the like garland over the TV and I don't like it. I really wish I could get it to stay over. Maybe I could find like cardboard that I can stick over top of the TV so that it will actually like sit on something. And then if that works, I can wrap this around the garland on the TV. Oh. This is like weirdly wrapped. Sticks to the wall. The garland doesn't stick to it. I'm gonna make something. I made something. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be so upset. I did it. Not perfect, but perfect is overrated. Okay, now for the balls. So cute. Oh my god. Okay. I have one more package to figure out where to put these things. This is so cute. Alright. Now that I have it, watch me never even turn them on. it's almost 6 p.m. I just finished making my dinner, sweet and sour chicken with like carrots and peas and peppers and rice. I think I'm gonna end this here and I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be able to show a like finished decorated tree. There's so many of these I have to like put on the string and whatever else, so I'm gonna try and finish this tonight and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3.